Hello, dear tutor. My name is Jackie Garcia Solano, and today I'm going to talk about the lesson plan that I created for the previous activity. The topic of the lesson was Colombian conflict. The objectives were the students will gain an understanding and knowledge about social convivence on both regional and national scales. Students will identify conflicts generated in their habitat and what can use them, and to discuss the solutions for the problems that have persecuted Colombian society. Well, I divided the lesson plan into three stages: the presentation, the practice, and the production one. The presentation, in the presentation part, the students will watch a short video where some people are having a conflict. They will guess what the topic for the class could be about. Well, I attached the link of the video. The idea here, first of all, before the presentation stage is, well, to grade the students, to present the objective of the lesson plan, and to check the attendance, if they had homework, etc. In this part, we start with this video. In this video, there are three guys. They are talking, and one of them did something that the other two they didn't like, so it generated a conflict among them. So the idea with this video is that they can understand or have the first idea of what the lesson plan would be about. The second is the students will watch a 1-minute video on what a conflict is, and they will talk about what they understand from the video. So in this part, we have the concept of the conflict. In the first one was for them to have an idea, but in this part is to have the concept of what a conflict is, and of course the importance of social convivence and how conflict has impacted society. So that is the idea. Then we move on to the practice stage. In this part, the students will be given a PDF reading about the Colombian conflict. They will read the title and give their opinion on what they think the reading will be about. With this first part, in the second part, we wanted to enhance the listening skill. In this part is addressed to the reading skill. So of course, join this with the main topic, which is the conflict. And then the idea is for them to practice speaking as well, giving their opinion. Then the students will highlight words that represent conflicts such as war, flight, injustice, murder, death, among others. With this activity, the idea is that they can identify some new vocabulary, new words, and the linguistic component here as well. After having read the text, the students will do a reading comprehension activity. So the idea is that based on the article they read before, the PDF article, they answer some questions concerning or related the article, so that they can practice as well the grammar part, and also to give their ideas concerning the conflict itself. Finally, the students will gather in groups to make a proposition on solutions to seize a conflict. Once they are finished, one member of each group will voice their proposal. The idea of this activity is to share what they did in this practice stage with the other members of the group, and putting into practice what they learned before concerning the vocabulary, the grammar part, etc. Then in the production stage, the students will make a poster, and they will first write in their notebooks a short paragraph draft about 3 important aspects of conflicts they have faced in real life. humanity nationally and within their community, and they will also provide solutions for each aspect. The idea in this production stage is that they can improve their speaking ability through this poster, and also that they can put into practice what they learned before. They will draw, paste images, or write words related to each aspect mentioned. In this part also, the idea is that they are or they use what they learn in real context. So this is about English in context as well. For this activity, they will use a cardboard, marker, scissors, and cut images. Then the students will present their posters, and they will provide the conflict and solution they selected. So they will also propose ideas in this part, related of course to the main topic, which is the conflict. The teacher will give feedback on pronunciation mistakes found in a general way, and give appreciation for their work, and homework, reminder, and dismissal. Well, in this part, the idea is also to provide the students that feedback, the corrections in the linguistic way, and also in the way they present the topic and all this. Well, that was my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next opportunity. Bye.